Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can hide and remove an app on any iPhone and iOS 18. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write your comments under this video, and also be sure to put your likes under this video. So, dear friends, let's get started. And now I will show you how you can hide and remove, and how you can add an app. First of all, if, let's say, you want to hide an app from your iPhone's work screen, first of all, you'll need to tap on such an app, hold, and now select the Remove App option. And here you can choose Hide from Home Screen. As you can see, such an app will be instantly hidden. And if you swipe your home screen, you won't find the hidden app. But what to do if you would like to find it and bring it back? Well, to do that, you swipe down on the iPhone screen from top to bottom. And you'll get a page like this. Next, friends, you will see the name of the hidden app in the search box. Tap on it and hold it down. And then drag such an app to wherever you want it to go. And put it back where it belongs. And now, friends, in order to commit the changes, just tap on the empty field on the iPhone screen. Just like this. And now, as you see such an app, it comes back to the working screen of your iPhone. Friends, this is the method you can easily hide and remove the app on any iPhone using iOS 18. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.